If I lost everything today and had to start over financially, these are the 7 steps I would follow to rebuild my wealth and achieve financial freedom. And you know what? This could be you too. Hi, my name is Damaris Kaluki, a financial consultant, and I help people diversify their investment portfolios. Here is a 7 step-by-step guide on how to start your journey to financial freedom. Step 1. Know where your money is going. Before you invest a single shilling, understand your income and expenses. Track what comes in and what goes out every month. You may be surprised how much money is being spent on things that don't add value long term. Remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. Step 2. Pay yourself first. The moment you receive your income, set aside a portion for your future before spending on anything else. A good starting point would be 10 to 20% of your income, but start with what is realistic and sustainable for you. Remember, consistency is more important than the amount. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before taking major investment risks, create a financial safety net. Aim to save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. This protects your investment from being interrupted by unexpected emergencies. Step 4. Define your financial goals. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? Is it a home? Is it for retirement, starting a business, education, or for wealth creation? Your goals will determine the type of investment that are most suitable for you. Step 5. Start investing early. Don't wait until you have a lot of money. Start with what you have today. The most powerful factor in investing is time, not timing. The earlier you begin, the longer your money has to grow. Step 6. Diversify your investment portfolio. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is putting all their money in one place. Diversification means spreading your investments across different financial assets or asset classes to reduce risk. For example, you may consider allocating your money among money market funds for liquidity and stability, bonds for steady income, equities or stocks for long-term growth, real estate for wealth accumulation, insurance-based investment products for protection and growth. A diversified portfolio helps you balance risks while taking advantage of different opportunities. Step 7. Review and adjust regularly. Your financial goals will change as your life changes. Review your portfolio at least once or twice a year and make adjustments where necessary. Investing is not a one-time event, it is an ongoing journey. Remember, financial freedom is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about making intentional decisions consistently over time. Start where you are, use what you have, and stay disciplined. The small financial choices you make today can create the future you've always dreamed of tomorrow. Thank you for listening in. Follow for more financial education and investment insights. Ciao.